What if I told you that in 2025, AI could make you a millionaire faster than any other tool in history? And no, you don't need coding skills, a big bank account, or even experience to make it happen. AI is leveling the playing field for everyone. If you have an idea, you can turn it into a business today. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do exactly that. And by the end, you'll realize just how close you are to creating something amazing. The first step is coming up with the perfect idea and turning it into something actionable. Say you notice freelancers struggle to know how much they should charge for a project. That's a real pain point. What if we created an app that solves that? Here's where ChatGPT comes in. I'll type this prompt. I want to create an app that helps freelancers determine the right price for a project. The app should allow them to add input, say what the project is, set the urgency, and use market data to determine the right price. Boom. ChatGPT breaks it all down for us. Now, great. You have the concept of what the app should be. This is gold. And we're just getting started. Now, I'll take this description and head over to v0.dev. This tool will turn our idea into a prototype. No coding is required. I'll paste in what ChatGPT gave me and watch this. v0.dev is already working its magic. In seconds, it generates a working prototype. It's showing us the structure of the app with screens for adding clients, determining what the actual price should be, and it's letting us know the market data in terms of what we should price this product at. Now it's time to make it live. We're going to use Vercel. It's a platform that lets you deploy web apps quickly and easily. I upload the prototype from v0.dev to Vercel, and just like that, our app is live, it's on the web. Now imagine this. In less than 30 minutes, we've gone from a simple idea to a live app without writing a single line of code. This app is now accessible through a link and is ready for real-world use or further development. Think about what you could do with this. You could add more features, turn it into a SaaS product, and even start charging users $10 a month to access. With just 100 users, you're making $1,000 a month in recurring income. But here's where things get even more exciting. Right now, this app uses dummy data. Imagine connecting it to ChatGPT and Perplexity as the backend. ChatGPT can handle personalized task recommendations or real-time updates, and Perplexity brings in live market data. At this point, you have a fully functional app that's not just static, but it's also intelligent. This is where the real magic happens. If you want to see how to go from a basic prototype to a full-scale application with data integration, stay tuned. I'll be releasing step-by-step guides to show you how to connect ChatGPT and Perplexity to your app, making it the brains of your operation. So here's the real takeaway. Tools like ChatGPT, v0.dev, and Vercel make it easier to turn your ideas into a reality. Whether you're building a side hustle, creating your first app, or automating the business, the possibilities are endless. If this video inspired you, hit the subscribe, like this video so I keep bringing you more content just like this. If you're ready to go deeper, deploy apps, integrate AI, and take your projects to the next level, stick around. The best is yet to come.